Hi guys, today what we're going to do is we're going to solve systems of equations with Desmos, which is an online graphing calculator. Here's where you go if you need to find Desmos on the computer. It's desmos.com. You come to this red button and you click Start Graphing. When Desmos opens up, you'll see a graph and you'll see a box over here. So when you have a calculator that you can use to solve a system of equations, the best method to use is to solve this system in Desmos. To solve the system in Desmos, you first have to type one equation into one box. So here is the new box right here, and we're going to type our first equation into the new box. And the new equation is negative 4x plus y equals 6. We're going to then type the second equation into a new box. So I'm going to click down here on this other box right underneath, and you'll see it opens up a new box. And I'm going to type in the second equation, which is negative 5x minus y equals 21. Now, sometimes we may have to move our screen around just a little bit because we need to see the intersection. Remember that the intersection is the solution to this system. So if you click and drag, you can move the graph paper around. Now I can see that the intersection is right here. All I have to do is find where these two lines cross and click on that intersection point. And you can see that it gives me the answer. The answer is negative 3, comma, negative 6. So x is negative 3 and y is negative 6. Be sure to write this point down as an ordered pair, just like Desmos has done right here. Just write down the answer as an ordered pair. Let's look at a second equation so that we can make sure that we know how to do this. So I'm just going to click X to clear out the first box and X to clear out the second box. And now I'm going to type in a new equation into box 1. So my new equation is y equals 2x minus 1. And then I'm going to go to the second box and I'm going to type in the second equation, 3x plus 2y equals 26. And notice I cannot see the point of intersection, so I'm going to click and drag my graph paper down so that I can now find where these two lines cross. Here is where they cross, so let's click on that intersection point and see that that answer is 4, comma 7. So then I will write that down as an ordered pair for my answer. X is 4 and y is 7. Now remember, if the two lines do not intersect, then these two lines have no solution. So if I came in here and put in y equals 2x plus 3, notice that these two lines do not intersect. They're parallel. They have the same slope. So this is no solution. Parallel lines are inconsistent. If the two lines are exactly the same thing, what if I had put in 2x equals, I'm sorry, I said 2x, 2y equals 4x minus 2. Did you see that these two lines are exactly the same? These are coinciding lines. These have infinitely many solutions because they're one line that lies on top of the other. They're the exact same line. This is consistent and dependent. Okay, so two lines that intersect, you're going to be looking for that point of intersection. Those two lines are consistent and independent, and that's really all there is to it. So use your Desmos and try some of these on your own.